People sneeze for a lot of reasons. It's not just because they have a cold or allergies. Sneezing is a reflex. It's your body's way of protecting itself from foreign particles like dust, pollen, or even viruses. When these particles enter your nose, they trigger a sneeze. The particles irritate the nerves in your nose, and your brain tells your body to sneeze to get rid of them. This is why you often sneeze when you have a runny nose or a stuffy nose. Your body is trying to clear out the irritation. Some people also sneeze because they have a deviated septum, which means their nostrils are not in line. This can make it difficult to breathe through your nose, so you may sneeze more often. And some people just sneeze a lot. It's called autosomal dominant compelling heliothalamic outburst syndrome. It's a genetic condition that makes you feel like you need to sneeze a lot. It's harmless, but it can be annoying. So next time you sneeze, ask yourself, why do I do this? And be prepared to answer any of these.